Hi, and welcome to Your Lungs. So let's have a read of this. So you do something about 20 minutes without even thinking about it. You breathe. You do this 20 times a minute, by the way. In fact, every day you take about 20,000 breaths. The organs of your body that allow you to breathe are called your lungs. And you have two of them that work together, located in the chest, in your chest, inside the rib cage. And this is a small image here of what the lungs, the two lungs, they actually look like. The main purpose of your lungs is to breathe in good air and breathe out bad air. The good air contains oxygen, which your body needs, and the bad air is called carbon dioxide, which your body cannot use. When you breathe in through your nose or mouth, air travels down the back of your throat. It passes through your voice box and into your trachea or windpipe. Your trachea is divided into two air passage tubes. One leads to your left lung, the other leads to your right lung. Inside your lungs, oxygen is removed from the air you breathe and pumped into blood cells. Your lungs also get rid of harmful carbon dioxide from these cells. This process takes place inside hundreds of millions of tiny air sacs. Each adult lung is about the size of a football. When they are healthy, your lungs feel a little like a sponge and are pinkish gray in color. When lungs are damaged by smoking, they can appear gray or have black spots on them. One disease that is very common in children involves the lungs is asthma, and asthma narrows down the breathing tubes, making it harder to breathe. As many as 9 million kids in the United States, as an example, have asthma, and many millions around the world. You probably already know that your lungs are important when you swim, but you may not know this. Your lungs are the only part of your body that can actually float on water. So have a read of this extract again on the lungs, and you've got some questions to answer based on the human body. And we'll follow this up in our next class. Thank you.